Okay, we're at another install at 2909 in Henderson, Nevada. This house is a little bit different in the sense that we don't have the greatest line of sight to both mountaintops in Henderson, Nevada. So the customer's okay with the channels that they get. And they're going to get the CBS affiliate, and they're going to get the ABC affiliate and a bunch of others, but they're going to be missing the NBC affiliate, the Fox affiliate, and the CBS affiliate. So here's the house. There's the house. And we'll be locating the antenna with a tile mount at the very peak there. Very similar to the house down the street. If you can see that two-story house way off in the distance there above that pods box there's another customer of ours on a two-story house using a tile mount with our standard antenna. Here's a better close-up to our standard installation with a tile mount on our neighbor's house. Okay, we got the antenna installed on the tile. We use a non-penetrating tile mount. Sorry about the wind. And this is also a 3-band antenna, VHF low, VHF high, and UHF. You can kind of see off into the distance there. Above the house there, you can see some antennas up there. We have line of sight to that mountaintop, but we do not have line of sight to the other mountain that has the NBC, Fox affiliate, and the PBS affiliate. So the customer is still okay with that. It's a non-penetrating mount that just clamps right onto the tile, just kind of like on the edges. And there's our J-mast, our little short J-mast with really great line of sight to our mountain. Okay, there's the antenna up on the roof, kind of a distant shot. And basically the wire comes off the roof line, kind of dripping over the side there, underneath the rain gutter, down the rain gutter, buried in the rocks a little bit into the demarcation where the antenna is into that two-way splitter, and then their internet service into that three-way splitter. Okay, we're all done with the job here. And one thing that I wanted to mention is this neighborhood has a homeowners association, and the same rule that allows satellite dishes allows TV antennas. So kind of keep that in mind, that if your HOA is giving you a little bit of grief, just kind of remind them that the federal government gives you permission to be able to install any size antenna that works, and place it anywhere where it does work. In other words, at the high point of the house or at the side. It just gives us permission to be able to do that. Also, I wanted to mention too that if anybody watching this video has any interest in installing TV antennas in a major city of some sort, just go to mrantenna.com and click the opportunity tab and email me and see if we can talk about if there's a viable opportunity there for you to be able to install TV antennas. Okay? And at this location, as far as channels were concerned, they got about 70 local stations. They did have some issues with the new TV standard. We can get that on a later date, but they're planning on exchanging their TVs from Sony to Samsung to mitigate the problem with that new TV standard that's kind of buggy here in Las Vegas. But that's the story. Over and out.